everyone, it's sedum time. Sedums are an easy perennial to grow as long as they get full sun a good part of the day and have good drainage. They should do well. The two oldest ones that I have are in my backyard underneath a maple tree. They're probably about 7 or 8 years old now, and they do get part sun nowadays and are older, so they're starting to flop more every year. I don't care because they're also getting taller and the blooms are just huge now. On the side of my yard, I have 2 concrete pots that I put 5 stems in the year before last, and they've already tripled. They start pushing their rosette-shaped leaves in late April and then start blooming the beginning of September. In the middle of my yard, I have a circle of them around an urn full of elephant ear and wandering dude, aka wandering Jew, in it. And I just cut back the elephant ear, so it's the end of September and I'm not sure if it's gonna pop up anymore. They are very easy to propagate for more of them. I cut the stems usually about 6 or 8 inches. You can do them a little bit shorter as long as you have 2 leaves or more that you can pull off that roots can grow from. You can water propagate or put them directly into a pot or the ground. I'm slowly starting a new flower bed at the back of my property, and I just planted 15 stems in a curve just last September, so you can see how much in their first year that they grew and flowered. Just take an old broom or sturdy stick and push it into the ground or pot as deep as you need and push the stem in. I'm doing a short one just for demonstration and because the ground is so hard right now. Whenever you do this way, make sure you keep them wet for a couple of weeks to ensure that you get roots. I know the old saying is to get them in the ground 6 weeks before first frost, but with these I've done 3 and 4 weeks and they came up fine the next year. If you want to water propagate them, just cut them to your desired length and put them in the water for a good solid 2 weeks before planting them. Or just keep them in a vase in a bright spot, changing the water every week for up to a couple months. Alright guys, happy planting.